Is all about adjectives and which prepositions are used after certain adjectives. So in this video I will present you with a series of slides and then some examples of how to use each of these prepositions with an adjective. So let's start with the preposition to, and you can see in front of you a list of selection of adjectives that take the word to. Sample sentences. I was not able to book the flight for tomorrow. She was indifferent to the idea of setting up a business in the town. Getting government funding is integral to the success of our project. You'll be relieved to know that I will join you at the hotel on the 24th. Preposition is the word in, and here is a small selection of adjectives that take in. Sentences for the preposition in. They are skilled in the use of AI technology and will be a definite asset to our company. I was not successful in arranging a car to collect you from the airport, so please take a taxi. I have to say, I am very disappointed in your efforts this month. Would you be interested in relocating to Kuala Lumpur? Next up, we have the preposition for. Here are some examples of adjectives that take the word for. Example sentences for adjectives with the word for. You are not eligible for a discount because your student card has expired. France is known for its wines and cheeses. Just be thankful for the fine weather. It's been raining solidly here since last Monday. I hope you're prepared for your exam. I know you've been doing lots of revision. Peppermint tea is good for indigestion. In this slide you can see some of the adjectives that take the word with. Example sentences. I'm bored with this film. Can we please change the channel? Her parents were delighted with her performance in the swimming gala. I am fed up with the constant noise coming from upstairs. If it doesn't stop soon, I'm going to call the police. We're going to look at some adjectives that take the word of. Look at some sample sentences. As a child, I was always afraid of the dark and would keep the light on in my bedroom overnight. I'm so ashamed of you. Why do you have to cheat in your exam? Your paper's been cancelled. I must admit, I'm quite fond of chocolate eclairs, though I know they're not good for me. Box is full of useless papers. Throw them out. I was so proud of my son. He scored 99% in his test. Let's now look at some adjectives that take the word at. Example sentences. We were so delighted at the news of your new baby granddaughter. Congratulations. He was shocked at the arrival of a policeman knocking on his door at 2 in the morning. I have to admit I was hopeless at cooking when I was younger, but now I feel as if I'm quite accomplished, having followed a cookery course at college. They were annoyed at the fact that they had to pay extra for room service. Are some adjectives that take the word about. Let's look at some sample sentences. He was beginning to feel anxious about the forthcoming exams, as he'd done little preparation. I will be furious about the outcome unless they treat us all fairly and equally. Quite frankly, I'm pessimistic about your chances of success. There's a strong field of competitors. Don't be sad about the news. It was inevitable. Are you getting excited about the concert next week? Let's look at some adjectives that take the preposition from. She was absent from work to look after her dying father. This car is different from the other models as it has leather seats and tinted windows. Those drinks are better. They are free from artificial sweeteners and additives. This is not a genuine leather belt. It is made from artificial fibers. The hens are kept in a chicken coop to protect them from predatory foxes.